When everything is frosty and not looking promising, that's when you come with the 911. Cause I like to be stubborn, and I don't like to plug my truck in because we don't really got no fucking outlets out here, or anyone that's fucking close without stretching 3-4 fucking extension cords. So I'll deal with the repercussions of the cold. But it's not too bad. Try to start it up, a couple clicks, boom, boom, boom. Don't want to start, leave it alone for 10-15 minutes, go get you a coffee, and come back and fuck with it. Don't stress your starter, don't stress your alternator, don't fuck up your batteries, don't drain it all. Go get some diesel 911, put it in your tank. That don't work, put it in your goddamn fuel filter. Yo, that motherfucker fires up, black.